So here we have a 1920 commercial German Luger in 9mm parabellum. No swastikas on it. I don't know a whole lot about these things, so if I say something wrong, you know, it might be wrong. But I'm supposed to clean this up. When we got this is a DWM, by the way. We got this, it had been soaked, absolutely soaked in WD-40 and left in a freaking drawer for probably 25 years and was locked up. And I gave it a good soaking down and wiping off with ballistol, and I actually like rehydrated, for lack of a better term, the WD-40 and got it working again. And now it's shot one magazine through it. I didn't really even clean it after that, or before then even. It surprisingly worked that good. A couple times the toggle stuck up on it. But yeah, this is basically before and after. I'm going to clean it up a little bit. It's got a little bit of active rust on there. I'm going to hit it with some real fine steel wool and oil, probably ballistol. You know, it's German oil from World War I, kind of about the same era this thing came from. But clean it up a little bit, take it apart, clean it up real good, steel wool some of that with some oil, real fine steel wool, and maybe boil some of these parts. I might try to restraw some of these parts that were strawed. But yeah, before and after, DWM. There's no there's these three, I'm not really sure about the markings on this thing, but there's three of them that appear to be identical right next to each other. Different depths. I'm not sure the significance of that. Little chip right here making the right side grip kind of weeble wobbly, but that was chipped off a long time ago. And of course, dude, the old timer the guy bought it off of course, his brother took it off a Nazi officer in World War II, obviously, even though it's a commercial Luger and probably exported to an English-speaking country, since it says Germany on it and not Deutschland or whatever. And it's not 100% marking either. Matches. Yeah, it's not 100% matching serial numbers either. But it seems to be put together from two different of them. Who knows? Might have been in Europe. Might have been used in the war. Probably shouldn't put it on this. This is a deuce and a half, by the way. Thought it would make a good set piece for it. But yeah, before, and I'm going to do an after I'm done cleaning it up. Like I said, I might try to restraw some of these parts in the white, but that'd be a lot of polishing and getting kind of cleaned up. All right, it's not loaded. Pretty cool. I've never had one, or this isn't mine. I've never shot one before. Now I get to play with it. Okie dokie, ending the video now. Goodbye. Stay tuned for part 2 whenever I get a chance to do that.